Hi, here's the question and answer session to help you improve your speaking skills. Listen to the questions and answers carefully. Let's enjoy the video.
How do you like to give back to your community or make a positive impact?
I volunteer at a local animal shelter on weekends. It's incredibly fulfilling to know that I'm making a difference in the lives of animals in need.
What's a skill you're proud of mastering?
I'm proud of mastering the art of photography. Capturing moments in time and creating visual stories brings me a lot of joy.
What's a book that has had a profound impact on your perspective?
Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl really changed my outlook on life. It's a powerful exploration of finding purpose even in the most challenging circumstances.
Do you have a favorite type of art or artist that you admire?
I'm a big fan of Impressionist art, particularly the works of Claude Monet. The play of light and color in his paintings is simply mesmerizing.
How do you like to celebrate your birthday or special occasions?
I enjoy having a small gathering with close friends and family. It's the quality time and meaningful conversations that make the day special for me.
What's a language you've always wanted to learn?
I've always wanted to learn Spanish. The language has such a rich cultural influence and opens up a whole new world of communication.
What's a historical period or event that you find particularly fascinating?
I'm fascinated by the Renaissance period. The explosion of art, culture, and ideas during that time is incredibly inspiring.
How do you stay creative and inspired in your everyday life?
I make it a point to explore new places, read widely, and engage with different forms of art. It keeps my mind open and receptive to new ideas.
What's a piece of advice you've received that has stuck with you?
Embrace the journey, not just the destination. It reminds me to appreciate the process of achieving my goals and not just focus on the end result.
Do you have a favorite type of cuisine you like to cook at home?
I love experimenting with Thai cuisine. The balance of flavors and aromatic herbs always make it an exciting culinary adventure for me.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.